Today I am going to teach you face retouching technique in Photoshop software. First, we take a copy of the image you are viewing with the shortcut key Ctrl+J. Set the blending mode to vivid light. Go to the Image tab, then Adjustments and select Invert. Go to the Filter tab, then Other, and select High Pass. Adjust the radius to sharpen the image. Go back to the Filter tab, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius to add a bit of noise to the image. With the shortcut key Alt and clicking on the Add Layer Mask icon creates a mask on the image, to selectively apply sharpening to certain areas of the image. Now, on the created mask, we will erase the stains on the face using the pen tool. We see the result together. Like and subscribe to see more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't miss the next videos.